guys, welcome back to Sophia the Queen. Today I'm going to do a piano tutorial of We Will Rock You. So we start off with D and E, and we're also going to use F, upper F, G, and G. Don't forget about A, G, and those. Anyway, let's get started. So we start off with this. So you see, all you need to do is memorize this part. So first go D, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, A, G, G, D, E, and then it's this around a little. Then you gotta do, remember these three? And then we go all over here, singing, we will rock you. That's literally all you need to memorize, because the second verse is the exact same thing on the piano. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day, and make sure to like and subscribe.